Action.
No, come. You're gonna do a Barbie fashion show.
A Barbie fashion show.
This is Space Barbie.
Space Barbie.
This is Party Barbie.
Party Barbie.
No, Birthday Barbie.
Birthday Barbie.
And this is Singing Barbie.
Okay, Singing Barbie.
And this is Chelsea.
Chelsea.
This is Betty Barbie. And this is Chelsea and Chelsea.
You have 3 Chelseas.
Yeah, and Ken.
Okay.
And that's Stacy.
Malibu Stacy or
Wedding Stacy.
Wedding Stacy?
And this is Jasmine.
Jasmine from from Aladdin.
Yeah, and this is Elsa. And this is
Elsa and
Skipper.
Skipper, and who's the last one?
Anna.
Okay, cool. Should we set up for the fashion show? Okay.
The first one is Space Barbie.
Woo.
I'm walking and I'm Space Barbie.
Amazing. Wow, Space Barbie! Super cool. Super cool.
The next one is Birthday Barbie.
Cool.
Hi guys. So I got a present because I got it from my birthday. And guess what? Nothing is in it. Ah! My present, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Walk, walk, walk.
Whoa.
Bye. See my sisters later. Next one is Singing Barbie. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, huh. I forgot. It was a fashion show. So, I'm gonna walk. Do you like my purple hair?
Definitely.
Do you like my top?
Definitely.
Do you like my skirt? Do you like my high boots? Do you like everything?
We do.
Thank you. Next is Chelsea.
Chelsea. Which Chelsea?
It's the kitty, the dog Chelsea.
Chelsea with a dog. Alright, let's see her walk.
On her shirt.
Let's see her walk. Chelsea's kind of shy. Okay, cool. Very much. Go, Chelsea, go.
I'm really shy, but that's why my voice is so low. Next one is Wedding Barbie and Ken Barbie.
Woohoo! Whoa.
Da, 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 da,
Are they kissing on the runway? Oh, wow. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Next is
Mary Barbie.
Fairy Barbie, Fairy Chelsea. Next is dun, dun, dun.
Jasmine.
Jasmine Barbie.
Woohoo!
So I can fly with the magic carpet. I forgot to put my shoes on. I'm gonna put my shoes on. The magic carpet.
Cool. Let's see your walk.
1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step. Bye! I love you really much. Next is Stacy Barbie.
Stacy Barbie.
See my knees. I can do like.
Her knees bend.
Yeah, my knees bent. I can walk like that. Backwards. go. Don't turn back anymore. Let it go. Okay, let it go. Let it go. I'm singing so ugly. But I can freeze you now. Next is Anna. Hi. Princess of Arendelle. Queen of Arendelle.
Let's see that fashion walk.
Can drive.
Barbie doesn't drive?
No.
Oh.
Does the girl drive?
Yeah, why not?
Girls.
Yeah. Why wouldn't the girl drive?
I need some help. Help, Dad.
Ken is in the passenger seat. And Barbie drives, right?
Amazing.
Everyone is crying back there.
Oh, are they all so happy for him?
Thanks for watching. Bye.